Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter power boost full hybrid engine and comes with four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle also comes equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package as well as the Lariat Sport Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, a nice backup camera right there, and moving to the other side here, we do have mud flaps on both rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board, so likelihood of slipping is very slim. We also have a side view camera right there, front park sensing as well, those two tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the interior now, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice black leathered perforated seats with the brown leathered stitching, plenty of door space as well, with the brown leathering on the door, a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. We do in fact have 2 cup holders back here, 2 heated seats, a 12-volt outlet, a USB and a USB-C, and a 120-volt outlet right there. And of course, if you don't need that extra person in the back, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And if you need more cargo space, you can always lift this up for additional space. And we do have a twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same black leathering and perforation we saw on the back there. We do have that nice brown leathering on the seat as well. Plenty of door space again. Memory seating for up to 3 drivers. And we do have a B&O sound system in the headrest on both seats in the front. You have your parking brake right there, pedal adjusters, lights, gas cap, blind spot detections, and your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 81.5 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your toggle for your main screen there, phone and media, volume and voice, and cruise controls right there. Looking at your main screen here, you do have My View, which does have fuel economy, trip 1, and you can configure it to whatever you'd like. Trip and fuel, which has fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, so on and so forth. Truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Looking over here, we do have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift, which is also collapsible, providing you with a fair bit of storage. Nice little phone slot here, 2 cup holders, a wireless charging pad with some storage down there, USB and USB-C, and this does close. We have our drive modes, rear axle lock, 4-wheel drive capabilities, trailer disconnect, and Pro Trailer Assist. And for our drive modes, we do again, normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and ruts, and all the way to the left here, we have tow and haul, eco, and sport. And continuing to look over here, heated seats, heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate, of course, 12-volt outlet, 120-volt outlet, media controls right there, Pro Power onboard, 360 view of the vehicle, of course, park sensing, hazards, traction control, and of course, by clicking this button, you do get storage there as well, and storage in the dash. We do have this nice brown leathering on the dash as well, which is pretty nice. And looking at our main screen, we do have our audio, phone, navigation, your fave app, which you can set up however you like, such as messaging, email, your Wi-Fi hotspot, Pro Power onboard, Power Flow, or any apps you do have downloaded, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings such as navigation, your Wi-Fi hotspot, so on and so forth. And features of the vehicle such as driving assist, Pro Power onboard, zone lighting, towing, Power Flow, and owner's manual. And looking above me, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which we did see earlier, and our button for our rear window opener, which is pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC69790, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.